In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp not opening on your laptop for Windows 10 or 11. If you're clicking on WhatsApp desktop and nothing happens, or it briefly shows a loading screen and then closes, don't worry. We're going to walk through a clear step-by-step process to get it working again. Follow along on your own computer as I talk you through each action. First, make sure WhatsApp is completely closed. If you see it in your taskbar, right-click it and choose Close Window. Then, we'll reopen it in a more controlled way. Click on the Start button, type WhatsApp, and instead of just pressing Enter, right-click on WhatsApp and choose Run as Administrator. This sometimes fixes permission-related issues that stop apps from opening properly. If it opens now, you're good to go. If not, stay with me. Next, let's check for updates from the Microsoft Store, because an outdated app version can easily cause this problem. Open the Microsoft Store from your Start menu. In the Store window, go to Library, then click on Get Updates. Look for WhatsApp in the list. If there's an Update button next to it, click that and let it finish installing. When the update is done, try opening WhatsApp again from the Start menu. If it still won't open, we'll repair the app from Windows Settings. Click the Start button, then select Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features, depending on your version of Windows. Scroll down until you find WhatsApp, then click on it and choose Advanced Options. In this screen, find the Repair button and click it. Windows will try to fix the app without deleting your data. Once that finishes, try launching WhatsApp again. If repairing doesn't solve it, we'll reset the app. Stay in the same Advanced Options window for WhatsApp. This time, click Reset. You may see a warning that this will delete the app's data on your device, like local settings. But your chats are still linked to your phone, so you'll just need to sign in again. Confirm the reset, wait for it to complete, and then open WhatsApp once more. If none of these steps work, the last thing to try is a clean reinstall. Go back to Apps and Settings, find WhatsApp, and choose Uninstall. After it's removed, open the Microsoft Store, search for WhatsApp, install it again, and then set it up by scanning the QR code with your phone. By carefully going through these steps in order, you should be able to fix WhatsApp not opening on your Windows 10 or 11 laptop.